Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a cute cartoon penguin. So to start off with this, you want to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a nice circle shape like this. And then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another circle shape right here for the other eye. Now, for the inside of these eyes, I'm just going to draw a small circle like this, and then a small circle on this one. And then I'm going to leave draw another little circle on the top of each one. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of it. And that little white circle that we left just kind of looks like a little reflection. Now, starting right in between here, we want to make a small beak. So we're going to do this a little bit different. So starting here, you just want to make a little line that just kind of curves up and down. It's going to look like a little sad face. And then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And I'm going to do that on the other side. And when they meet in the middle, it's going to kind of form the tip of the beak. Then, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve back up. And then I'm going to draw that same shape right inside of here. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of this for the mouth. Now we want to make the head of the penguin. So starting right here, I want to start right here by the beak. You just want to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to curve in a little bit. And then I want to do the same thing over here. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve out and then in. And then I'm just going to curve this up, and I'm going to bring it around, and then just back down to here. Now, starting right here, we want to make the body. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and it's just going to curve around, and then it's just going to come back up like this. Now, starting here, we want to make a wing. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's just going to curve back up like this. And then I'm going to draw this wing. I'm actually going to curve it up and then bring it down like that. Then for the feet, I'm just going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to kind of curve and then come back down. And then I'm just going to curve it up, back down, and then bring it back here towards the body. And then just do the same thing over here. Go down, kind of curve up and back down, go up and down again, and then just curve it back. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little curved line for the stomach of the penguin. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come back up like this. And then on the face of the penguin, I'm going to start right here by the beak, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve around this, and then it's just going to come around right to here. And then same thing on this side, it's just going to go around, curve around the eyes, and then come back down to here. Now, on the top of the head, I'm just going to draw a couple little kind of pointy lines like this for some hair. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute cartoon penguin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.